Hello, I'm Alberta Einstein. Welcome to Super Speedy Science Special Sports Show. On today's episode, we will be covering the simple physics that apply to tetherball. We have asked last place finisher of the Washington State Tetherball Tournament, Sarsaparilla, to perform some of her skills. As Sarsaparilla stretches, the ball hangs off the pole with full potential energy. After she winds back to serve and releases the ball, the energy is transferred from the potential energy to kinetic energy. Once the ball reaches its peak and begins to fall towards the ground again, the ball is at full gravitational potential energy. Now, even though it looks like the ball is just an object being thrown around, it is actually pushing Sarsaparilla back with an equal amount of force as Sarsaparilla pushes on the ball. This is called Newton's third law. Now, thank you for joining me on Super Speedy Science Special Sports Show. So, here is Isabella Newton.
Good evening. As Alberta Einstein mentioned, I'm Isabella Newton. So let's get back to the game, shall we? As Sarsaparilla hits the ball to change its direction, she must exert force. Force is the amount of push or pull on an object. In this case, the object is the ball. With few exceptions, the larger the mass, the larger the force. For example, while Newton's third law is applying, the ball's mass is smaller than Sarsaparilla's mass. So that is why the ball gets moved by Sarsaparilla's force, rather than Sarsaparilla being moved by the ball. Well, I'd like to thank Sarsaparilla for joining us here, so thank you. Nice job, Sarsaparilla.
Thank you!
Well, I hope you've learned how physics apply to tetherball and remember these concepts in everyday life. Thank you.
Yay!